Hey y'all, come on in. Let's do a little bit of witchcrafting. Welcome to Witchcrafting with Sheila and Shay. This video starts abruptly and in a weird place. I apologize.
Okay, so what I've done so far is these come in sections, and I've been pipe cleanering, or what they call here a chenille stick, to right here with 3 pieces. And it doesn't, you don't need to measure how big the piece is, you just kind of eyeball it. I need 2 purple. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It does have to cooperate. Okay, I'm going to need 1 black. That's my black. That is. And they don't, like I said, have to be the same length. They just have to be, you know, so you can, when you bundle it up, you can't really see how thick or thin the spots are. So my last one ended with purple. No, my last one ended with black. So you're going to put purple, black, purple, and you're going to take your pipe cleaner. Usually I use a pipe cleaner that you can hide better, not orange or red, but, you know, beggars can't be choosers. So you take and you pipe cleaner it like this, and depending on how big you want your wreath, depends on how far out you go. Then you take it. Now, like I said, my last one ended in black. So my next section will start with purple, and I'm working on this second from the inside ring. And you just keep going until you get all the way back around. And then when I get that far, I'll come back and show you.
I'm just trying to take this off of this because I'm going to go ahead and put some other things on here. But so first, this part has to come off, and unlike how easy I've seen it done by other people, I'll be honest, I don't find this quite so easy. But, I mean, it's $1. You're just, you know, you can cut it, you can, that's what I'm doing. I'm just cutting the pieces if it's to the point where I really can't pull it. But mostly, if you have patience and you just want to just sit there and keep working with it, you'll eventually get this whole bottom half. I'm doing it just up to the brim of the hat, because if you look, see, they have like 3 pieces through here. So I'm going to come back with other with some of the mesh and different pieces there, but it'll all be curled like this. So
okay, so yours is going to end up like this.
This will all look like this in the end, and because we have the purple and there was purple here, I'm just trying to stay under that. I'm trying to stay under the purple. Okay. So instead of taking any of that off, because I think that will all be pretty together. Okay, so all I'm doing with this is I'm just going to wrap this part of it, and the purple part down here, I could have taken all of this out, but I kind of like it, so I think it all matches, so I'm gonna leave this part. And then I'm just gonna take the mesh all the way down through here.
And we need to point out that this mesh that she's working with at the top is from Hobby Lobby.
Yes.
That is the only thing that in this project, other than the glue guns, from Hobby Lobby.
Now I want my my lines to kind of be going this way, so that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
And you have to overlap it a little bit because you don't want this sticking out. And pull it tight. Like you don't want it too tight, but you want it tight enough to where it's not going to come off, correct? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep sitting here doing this and until we have the whole thing completed, and then we'll come back and show you what else needs to take place from here.
Here is an update on my wreath. I'm just about halfway done putting deco mesh on mine.
Now we're several hours later, and this is my wreath. I haven't done anything else to it other than my deco mesh. And then Sheila's witch hat. This is what she's come up with. And remember, I'll show you what it started out looking like in a second. But this is Sheila's.
So it originally looked like this, and then I took off this bottom, just this whole bottom base is what I have gotten to so far with the ribbons. Not quite as easy as I thought, but it's certainly not difficult, and good conversation while you're doing it. Having someone to talk to while you're doing it is great. Okay, so here we are. We're finally finished. Finished product. So I finished all the ribbon going around, and I noticed as I was doing this, I noticed I was having to do ribbon at the top of the first bar and through the bottom, and sometimes even in the middle, as I was coming around this way. If I wanted to, I could probably still add a few pieces in between here, but I think right now I'm just going to stop right there. I think this is plenty enough. I added the little bells at the bottom. We added the witch's end, of course, and of course the cute little witch's hat at the top. So, and I added a little pumpkin in between here. Plus, I did hot glue the pumpkin into this at this point. So this was actually what it started out looking like, and this is what it's ended up looking like. Which I think for my first piece was, I'm pretty happy with
I like
the
it. It's
result.
really adorable.
So, I think it came out really cute. I think it'll look really cute for the holidays. Yeah. And one thing I learned through this process was not to fuss too much over, the ribbon. Right. Just, put it together, keep putting it together, and keep going, because as you come through here, it's just gonna fill out, and it is gonna look really good. I think it all worked out really well.
All right, so this is my concoction, and I thought, that'd be really cute. We really do wish we could have found some of the green deco mesh, because I think it would have really went good, like in this area. But, we get what they have. So, not bad, not bad. I actually finished a wreath. Y'all know good and well my Christmas wreath has been in the process for, this will be 3 Christmases. So, yeah, I think, and I had a really great time. I really had a great companion to chit chat with. It didn't seem like we'd been sitting here for that long. Last time I checked the time, it was 7 o'clock. So, be good, stay out of trouble. Don't do anything we wouldn't do.
So thank you for joining us, in with our craft today. I think we had a great time. It did take a little bit of time, but it certainly passed the day along, and it gave us the chance to sit here with just quality time with each other as cousins. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Again, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up so Sheila knows you enjoyed her hospitality. You guys know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you know, and we'll see you in our next video.